Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to use Cosmofeed. Cosmofeed is a platform where content creators make money and bringing them closer to their fans. Software, claim profile. Cosmofeed is a platform offering a suite of products for the creators, enable them to monetize both bits and full offering of their content across the audience while building deeper engagement. Follow these steps to see how to use it. Step 1. You may open cosmofeed.com in your web browser. Step 2. Now log in or sign up with your mobile number or email. Step 3. Click on the Create option on the top. You will see the option of Create a Course selected. Now enter a cover, title, and the title to the course you want to add. Choose other preferences for the course so people can find it easily. At the end, select if the course is paid or free. Now click Save and proceed. Next step is to describe your course so that users are comfortable. And if you have any question, mention them here. After that, select the checkbox, click on Save and proceed. You can also attach some documents or downloadable files. And when you're done with everything, click Launch Course. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.